Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app, and in today's video I will show you how to use read loud features in Gmail app to read any mail. For that, go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and open the content of a particular mail. So I'm going to open this AliExpress mail right here. So scroll down right here, and then you have some text right here. Go ahead and click on Hold Down. This allows you to highlight all text. Once you highlight all text, click on here to slide in. Click on here to slide in. Go ahead and click on Read Loud. It's going to read.
Prices, deals and availability shown in this email reflect offers at send time and are subject to change. Please note that shipping fees are not included. Visit the product page for the latest info.
It's that simple. You can use this method to read any message or mail as the case may be. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Gmail app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.